Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by checking two essentials. You must be Meeting Organizer and use the Teams desktop app for full controls. Once done, open the meeting and select breakout rooms immediately so rooms exist when participants arrive. Choose grouping method, automatic for equal splits, manual to control assignments, or pre-assign via the roster, because that decision changes workflow. Make sure you set room count and naming convention now to avoid mid-meeting rework and lost time. Now you create rooms and assign people, drag and drop if manual, or let Teams auto-assign. Once rooms exist, set a timer and an opening message so everyone knows expectations. This saves repeated explanations. You should also choose whether participants can return to the main meeting. Then join any room to assist or broadcast an announcement to all rooms. This keeps everyone synchronized. While monitoring, collect notes and be ready to move people between rooms if discussions go off track. To wrap up, close the rooms so participants are returned automatically to the main meeting, then debrief and download attendance and room reports for follow-up. Share outcomes, next steps, and any resources while everyone is present. If a participant can't enter or you lose control, first check that they are on the latest Teams client and that you are the meeting organizer. If that fails, reassign them to another room or admit them manually from the lobby. This resolves most access problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.